Hey gang, I'm back, and like I stated in my previous video, I had these 4 pieces of wood that I was going to biscuit and glue together and make a box, which I did. And then I took it over to my lathe and set it on there and took some careful measurements and cut out another piece of 3/4 inch birch plywood and fastened it to this box. I also found a scrap piece of butcher block Formica that I glued to the top of it, and maybe you figured out by now where I'm headed with this project. Like I said, there's a tool that I've wanted for quite a while and haven't been willing to spend the money to get it, so I thought I'd try and make my own. So this is what you're looking at, and maybe if I show you this, my 9-inch disc, and you see that, you know where I'm headed. So let me grab the camera, and I'll set this in place, and you'll get an idea of where I'm going. Bear with me because my camera doesn't have a pause, so I'm just going to disappear for a little bit, but I'll be back. Okay, here we go. Just walking over to the wood lathe. And there it is. I have one more milling operation to do, and I was going to do it today. I went over to Rockler to see if they had any of that aluminum T-track, so I could take the miter gauge from my table saw, you know, and plow out a dado or a groove, whatever you want to call it, and put in a piece of that aluminum T-track. But they didn't have any of that today, so I might have to do a little searching on the website. But yeah, I just figured, you know, should work out pretty good as a sanding disc. So that's where I'm at. Once I get it all up and operating, I'll do another video to let you guys know if this is going to work, if it's going to be accurate. Basically, what I like to do with something like this is fine-tune 45-degree miters for building, you know, picture frames or cabinet doors. So I'll keep working on it, and when I get it fired up and sanding wood, I'll do another video. So that's it, and thanks for watching.